Good morning, students. So in this lecture 39th of electronics, we'll discuss about biased series diode clippers. So biased series diode clippers are those circuits in which external DC voltage source, it is also connected to the diode along with the AC input signal. So that's why these are known as biased series diode clippers. These are again of two types: positive series diode clippers and negative series diode clippers. So first we'll discuss positive series diode clippers. So this is the circuit for biased positive series diode clipper, in which the diode, in case of positive series diode clipper, it is connected in this way, that negative N side of the diode, it is connected to input signal, positive of the diode is connected to external DC voltage source, and whose negative it is connected to load resistance across which output is taken. And this is the AC input signal which we are supplying to this circuit, and now we will see that how this circuit will respond to this signal. So as this input signal, it has positive halves as well as negative halves. So first we will see the response of this circuit towards the positive half cycle of AC input, that is from 0 to T/2. So in this period, during the positive half of input signal, the polarity of Vi, it is in such a way that upper end is positive and its lower terminal is negative. So during the positive half cycle, what this Vi will do, it will reverse bias this diode. During the whole cycle, this Vi, it will reverse bias the diode because of its positive polarity. And this Vr, because its P positive terminal, it is connected to P side of the diode, so it will forward bias the diode. So the functions of Vi and Vr, they are opposite during the positive half cycle. Vi, it reverse biases the diode, Vr, it forward biases the diode. So that's why we have divided this into, because now the two will oppose each other. So we will see that out of Vi and Vr, which will dominate in which region. So what is the voltage across these terminals? The voltage is minus Vb plus Vr, or you can say that Vr minus Vb. And we know that Vr, value of Vb is very small potential barrier as compared to this Vr. So this Vr minus Vb will be positive. And if it is positive, it will lie somewhere above the zero level. So that's why we are showing this level Vr minus Vb above the zero level. So this Vr minus Vb, it has divided this positive half cycle into three regions, OA, AB and BC. Now you can clearly see that in regions OA and BC, Vi, the value of Vi, it is smaller than this Vr minus Vb. It means in these two regions, OA and BC, who will dominate? Vr minus Vb will dominate over Vi. So you can see here, in regions OA and BC, you can clearly see that Vi is less than Vr minus Vb. So Vr will dominate, and what this Vr will do? It will forward bias this diode in regions OA and BC. And if the diode is forward biased, it means it will conduct and it will allow the current to flow through the circuit. So let I be the current flowing through the circuit in which direction? From positive to negative, means in clockwise direction. So that's why let I be the current which will flow through the circuit in clockwise direction. And if I is the current flowing through the circuit, then we can apply Kirchhoff's voltage law. And according to Kirchhoff's law, this is Kirchhoff's law. How you will apply this Kirchhoff law? See, this is minus plus, that is Vi, plus Vi. Then again alternate sign, minus plus, so plus Vb. Then plus minus Vr, means signs are not alternate for Vr. That's why minus Vr. Then output is plus minus. Minus plus plus minus means again the signs of V naught, they are not alternate with respect to this Vi. So again minus V naught. It is equal to 0. We have to find the value of V naught. So what is V naught? Move this V naught to this side. V naught is Vi plus Vb minus Vr. So take negative sign common from here. So output is Vi minus Vr minus Vb. So this is the output. It means as Vi will vary, output will also vary. So in regions OA and BC, output will follow input. But what will be the value of output when this input is 0? Here at this point, when we have just applied the input signal at that time, at time t equal to 0, Vi is 0. What will be the output at that time? So put this Vi is equal to 0. At that time, output will be minus Vr minus Vb. Means minus Vr plus Vb. And out of this Vb and Vr, we know that Vb is smaller than Vr. So this output will be negative. So that's why this Vb minus Vr level, we have drawn this level just below the 0 level. Why? Because Vb is less than Vr, making this voltage value negative. So it means that at Vi is equal to 0, output voltage is Vb minus Vr. And in this region O to A, output is following input. So it will be like this. And in region this BC, in this region BC, again output is following input. And at C, again Vi is 0. And when Vi is 0, at that time output is Vb minus Vr. So at point C, again our output is this. And in region this BC, output is following input. So this will be the output in these two regions. Now we will check that what will be the output in region AB. In region AB, you can clearly see that this Vi, it is greater than this level Vr minus Vb. So if Vi is greater than Vr minus Vb, then Vi will dominate. And what will Vi do? It will reverse bias the diode in region AB. So in region AB, diode is reverse biased. If diode is reverse biased, means current flowing through the circuit will be 0. And if current flowing through the circuit is 0, what is our output voltage? Output voltage is the voltage drop across RL, which is I into RL. If I is 0, then V naught will be 0. So in region AB, our output comes out to be 0. This. So for this region AB, this is the theory. In region AB, you can clearly see it will reverse bias the diode. So that's why diode will not conduct. It will not allow any current to flow through the circuit. So current flowing through the circuit will be 0, which makes I 0, and I into RL, which makes output voltage equals to 0. So in this way, positive peak has been clipped, making it biased positive series diode clipper. Now we will see the response of this circuit towards the negative half cycle of AC input. That is from T by 2 to T. Now see, during the negative half cycle of AC input, the polarity of Vi, it will change in this way. So now during the whole negative half cycle of AC input, what this Vi will do? It will negative, it will forward bias the diode, and Vr, it also forward biases the diode. It means now both Vi and Vr, they will forward bias the diode. So during the whole negative half cycle of AC input, the diode remains forward biased. So I will be the current flowing through the circuit during the whole negative half cycle. But now positive terminal is this, negative is this. So now the current will flow in this direction. This is the direction of current during positive half cycle, and this is the direction of current during negative half cycle in anti-clockwise direction. So then apply Kirchhoff's law. How? Apply Kirchhoff's law from this. This is plus, minus plus. So it will be Vi minus plus, then minus plus. So plus Vi plus V naught, then again alternate sign. So plus Vr and minus Vb, because signs are not alternate. It is equal to 0. So You can clearly see that this is the Kirchhoff law, Vi plus V0 plus VR minus VB, it is equal to 0. Find V0, it is this. And when minus Vi, it is equal to minus Vm during the peak of the negative half cycle. So output will be minus Vm minus Vr plus Vb. So here again output follows input during the whole negative half cycle. So during the whole negative half cycle, output follows input. So how our output will be? It will be like this. And at this point, when minus Vi, it is equal to minus Vm, its maximum value during the negative half cycle, what is our output that we have calculated is this, minus Vm minus Vr plus Vb. So this value is minus Vm minus Vr plus Vb. And again, during the positive half cycle, its behavior will be like this. So here we have clipped the portion of the positive peak. So that's why this is biased positive series diode clipper. Okay, now you can clearly see its theory. It starts from here during the positive half cycle of AC input. Then here. These are regions OA and BC. After this, behavior of the circuit in region AB during the positive half cycle. Then the behavior of the circuit towards the negative half cycle of AC input. Next is biased negative series diode clipper. So in this, the polarity of diode, it gets reversed than in case of positive series diode clipper. So here the P side of the diode, it is connected to AC input signal, and N side of the diode is connected to voltage source, external voltage DC voltage source, that is VR, and V0 is the output taken across RL. Now this is the input signal which we are applying here to this circuit, and now we will see the response of this circuit towards this AC input signal. And we know that this AC input signal, it has two halves, positive half and negative half. And now see what is the voltage in these two terminals, voltage here. It is, this is plus minus, minus plus. So it will be plus minus means it is plus VB. Minus plus means minus VR. So VB minus VR. So voltage between these two terminals is VB minus VR. As VB is smaller than VR, so VB minus VR will be negative. So that's why we are showing this VB minus VR level below the zero level, because it is negative. So it has divided this negative half into three regions A, B, B, C, C, D. But first we will discuss the positive half cycle of AC input, that is from 0 to T by 2. In this positive half, the polarity of the input signal, it is in this way that upper terminal is positive, lower terminal is negative. So current will flow in clockwise direction from positive to negative. And during the whole positive half cycle, this Vi, it will forward bias this diode, and VR also forward biases the diode. So the function of Vi and VR both are same. So during whole positive half cycle, diode is forward biased. So during the whole positive half cycle, I current will flow through the circuit. So apply Kirchhoff's law. After applying Kirchhoff's law, see, it is minus plus, so plus Vi. Then here it should be minus plus, alternate signs, but here it is plus minus. So Vi minus Vb. You can see Vi minus Vb. Then again minus plus, signs are alternate with respect to Vi, so plus Vr. Plus Vr. Then what about V0? V0 is plus minus. Minus plus plus minus means signs are not alternate with respect to Vi, so it is minus V0 is equal to 0. So this. Find V0 from here. And as you can clearly see, this as this Vi will vary, output will vary, so output follows input. But what will be the value of the output when this Vi, it is 0 at t equal to 0 and at t is equal to t by 2. When Vi is 0, what is the value of output voltage V0? So it will be Vr minus Vb. And as we know that Vr is greater than Vb, so this output voltage, it will be positive at Vi is equal to 0. So that's why in case of output, we are showing this Vr minus Vb level. We know that this Vr is greater than Vb, so its value will be positive. So that's why we are showing this Vr minus Vb level above the 0 level. So at t is equal to 0, Vi is 0 and output is equal to this Vr minus Vb. And at t by 2, output will again be equal to Vr minus Vb. And during this positive half cycle, output follows input, means from here to here input is increasing, so output will increase. At this point, input Vi, it becomes equal to its maximum value, that is plus Vm. So what will be our output? Output will be Vm plus Vr minus Vb, which is this value. So this value is Vm plus Vr minus Vb. Then input is decreasing, so our output will decrease, means it is following input. Then what happens during this negative half cycle? So during this negative half cycle of AC input, as we already know that the polarity of Vi will change, it will become negative positive. So now this Vi, it will reverse bias the diode. This is the behavior of the circuit during negative half cycle of AC input. Now the Vi will reverse bias the diode and Vr, it forward biases the diode. So therefore, now they will work opposite to each other. They will oppose each other. So in regions AB and CD, in these two regions AB and CD, you can clearly see that this Vi, it is less negative than this Vb minus Vr. It means Vr will dominate in regions AB and CD. So you can see in regions AB and CD, Vi is less negative. So Vr will dominate, and what this Vr will do, it will forward bias the diode. If diode is forward biased in these two regions, then I current will flow through the circuit. But in which direction? Now the polarity of Vi is minus plus, so from positive to negative, means in anti-clockwise direction. So I current will flow through the circuit in anti-clockwise direction. So now to this direction of current, we will apply Kirchhoff's voltage law. So it will be minus plus, so plus Vi, then again minus plus, so plus V0. Here you can see plus Vi plus V0, then plus minus, signs of Vr, they are not alternate with respect to this minus plus, then plus minus. So signs are not alternate, so that's why minus Vr, again plus Vb is equal to 0. So this. Calculate output, it will be minus Vi plus Vr minus Vb, means output follows input. In regions AB and CD, output will follow input, so this is the output in regions AB and CD. Now we will see what will be the output in region BC. In region BC, this Vi, it is more negative than this Vb minus Vr. It means Vi will dominate. And what this Vi will do? It will reverse bias the diode. So if the diode is reverse biased during this region BC, then this current I flowing through the circuit in anti-clockwise direction, it will be 0. Because this diode, it is not conducting in region BC, so it will not allow any current to flow through the circuit, so I is 0. If I is 0, then this output voltage V0 will also be equal to 0 because it is equal to I into RL. So in this region BC, output voltage, it is equal to 0. So in this way, negative peak has been clipped during the negative half cycle of AC input. That's why it is known as biased negative series diode clipper. And during next positive half cycle, again the behavior will be same. So in this way, this is all about biased negative series diode clipper, and this is the response of the circuit in region BC.